Chat GPT is the world's smartest robot at the moment, and it is really changing the game when it comes to making money online. And if you are smart and also determined, you can make as a beginner up to $100 a day without spending a penny. And in this video, I'm going to show you how people are doing exactly this in 2025. I spent some time researching on the easiest and free ways to make money through Chat GPT, and in this video you are going to learn them. So I encourage you to watch till the end, because you are going to be learning some things that you may not have known all these years. Hi everyone, I welcome you sincerely to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, I say this to you: you are the best. However, if this is your first time in this channel, my name is Innocent and I welcome you specially. I make videos around how to make money online on YouTube. So if that appeals to you, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and even comment whatever you like to ask me in the comment section. These steps will help to cause me to grow. It will also help the algorithm to push the videos to much more people, so that together we can all grow. The world is changing fast, and the ones who are winning are not the ones with the biggest degrees or the fanciest resumes. They are the ones who learn how to use tools like Chat GPT and websites like Fiverr, Upwork, PeoplePerHour, and even YouTube to turn their skills into income. These days, opportunities are not waited for. You create them. And if you're observant, you discover that every time you scroll through the social media, somebody somewhere is getting paid to design, to brainstorm, and to use their minds, all through the platforms that are free to join. Unfortunately, we all have the same 24 hours, the same access, the same internet. The only difference is action. And if you have stayed on this video up till now, I want to congratulate you, because it is obvious that you want to take your financial journey serious. You want to take your financial narrative to the next level. I congratulate you for that. Therefore, don't overthink anything again. Don't wait to be perfect. Immediately after watching this video, you have to go ahead and implement the things that you are going to be learning. Create your profiles in the platforms that I'm going to show you. Start small. Write a blog post. Offer a gig. Test an idea. Use Chat GPT, as I'm going to show you, to make your workflow faster and put yourself out there. Because the truth is that nobody pays you for your potential. People only pay for what you can do with your potential, what you can do with the things that you know. So today, I want you to make a decision that you are not going to just watch others make money online. You are going to become the person others watch. This is your time. This is your season. The digital world is wide open and you belong to it. So let's make it happen. And now, I'm going to show you how you can make money from either Fiverr or Upwork or PeoplePerHour, writing blog posts for bloggers. Let's assume that you are a beginner. You don't have money to own your own blog. You can make money by writing blog posts for bloggers, and they pay you big for writing these blog posts. And people who are doing it are making money. So let's get over to Fiverr and see how much they are making. So this is Fiverr, where people with all kinds of needs come to get solutions to their problem. As you can see, people can come here to get needs in the graphics and design section. Those who have programming need, they can get their solutions on Fiverr. Those who have digital marketing needs, they can get their solutions on Fiverr. Those who have video and animation needs, they can get their solutions on Fiverr. Those who have writing and translation needs, they can get their solution on Fiverr. Those who have music and audio needs, they can get their solution on Fiverr. So also business, finance, even AI services. So in this video, we are choosing blog posts, for example. So if you come here and search for blog post writing and come here and select best selling, you will see the people that are making it big, writing blog posts for people. So but the one that we are going to talk about is this guy, Sad. So let's click on his profile and see what he's doing. So we see here that he charges about $150 for his own work, and he is only on level 2. And if you look at his profile, you will see that he has completed about 3,200 orders. And what is his gig? Your high quality SEO blog post writer. I am Sad, or whatever his name, the correct pronunciation is, a seasoned professional specializing in SEO content writing and local SEO strategies. I am well equipped to support your digital objectives with extensive experience crafting blog posts and so on and so forth. Well, I believe you saw what I saw. He has completed about 3,200 jobs at the rate of $150 per job. Now, let's do the mathematics. If you multiply 3,200 jobs times 150, that will give you about $480,000. So this is a proof of what people are making really on Fiverr. What are they doing? Writing blog posts, which I'm going to show you also how to write. Let us also go to Upwork and see what people are making writing blog posts for others. So over here on the official website of Upwork, if you come to the search bar and type blog post writer, you are shown these guys that are making it big on Upwork. So the first person is Mohammed A. His gig is SEO content strategist, technical article writer, guest post writer, and he says he charges $20 per hour. And according to the official report, he has earned over $3,000 just writing posts for people. If you look at his profile further, you will see a highly skilled technical writer with extensive experience in word process publishing, software SEO. So all these things that they are doing, you can also do. The second person is Brandy M. She charges $15 per hour and she has earned over $2 million earned just writing blog posts for people. As you can see, her profile, I believe is a lady. Blog writing, blog content, SEO writing, business writing, ebook writing, product production. These are all things that Chat GPT can help us to write. The third person is MDM. He charges about $10 per hour, and as you can see, he has earned over $100,000 in this business. My people, you can see for yourself. So people are making it big, writing things for people. So that was Upwork. Let us also go to PeoplePerHour and see what people are making, just writing different kinds of things, especially blog posts for others. Over here on the official website of PeoplePerHour, if you come to the search bar and type blog post writing, you will be brought to this feed. When you sort it by popularity, you will see different kinds of peoples with how much that they have earned. So, but let us not waste time. Let us just look at Danny B. You see that he has completed 3,691 projects at the rate of $59 per hour. So PeoplePerHour does not show us how much that they have earned in total, but you can imagine that some projects can be done for more than 1 hour. That means if he does the project for 3 hours, it will be $59 times 3. So, but let's assume that the jobs that he has done or the projects that he has executed took him 1 hour. When you multiply $59 times the number of projects that he has executed, let's do the maths. So $69 times 3,691 projects will give you $217,769. So that tells me that people are making it big on these platforms. So how can you start making money too? Just like these people that we have seen on Fiverr, on Upwork, and PeoplePerHour as a beginner. It is very simple. What you need to do is to go to these platforms and sign up with them as a freelancer. Just study the profile of the topmost performing freelancer in each of these platforms and see if you can mirror or get inspiration from their gigs, from their inspiration. Like, I am an SEO specialist, I do this, I do that. You just use it to also create your own profile. I'm not going to do it in this video because it's going to make the video to be long, but it is very simple. All of them are very easy to sign and they don't take time. You just use your Gmail and some of them you upload your pictures. Very simple things to do. You do that, you set up your profile. What I want to show you now is how to now get your blog post. Just come to Chat GPT and give it this prompt. Write me in about 1,000 words a blog post of a step-by-step process of making money online through affiliate marketing, and click on enter. Let's see how Chat GPT does the magic. As you can see, Chat GPT has given us what we want. It says absolutely, here is a 1,000 word SEO friendly blog post that explains the step-by-step process of making money online through affiliate marketing. You can go through it. It says how to make money online through affiliate marketing, a step-by-step guide. It gives us the step 1, understand what affiliate marketing really is. It gives us the step 2, choose a profitable niche. It gives us the step 3, join the right affiliate programs. It gives us step 4, build your online platform. It gives us step 5, create valuable content. It gives us step 6, drive traffic to your links. It gives us step 7, build trust and authority. It gives us step 8, analyze, optimize and scale. It gives us final thoughts. Anyone can do this. Key takeaways. So what can we see here? You can see that the AI has given us what we need. So you don't need to stretch yourself. trying to reinvent the wheel again. And as you can see, people are making money through this process. So there is market for it. Not everybody has time to go to Chat GPT and be doing asking questions, because you are still going to sit down and read what Chat GPT gives you. So the person that is paying you to write this does not have the time. So that's why they are coming to Fiverr, Upwork, and PeoplePerHour to look for people that will help them to do these things. So some have the money, but they don't have the time. So there is no way everybody will be able to go to Chat GPT and be asking these questions to Chat GPT. That is why platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, PeoplePerHour are still in existence and people are making money from there. So this opportunity is not dead, even with the popularity of AI. The customers who pay for these things, they don't have time, but they have the money. So that is where you, as a beginner, come in. After you have signed up in these platforms, you can start with $10 or $20, as the case may be. You discover that over time, you will start getting customers. And if you do like 5 jobs per day for $20 each, that's $100 per day. So I have proven to you that it is possible to make $100 daily using Chat GPT and all these other platforms. The ball is now in your court. So tell me in the comment section what you are going to do. And if you experience any problem signing up in any of these platforms, let me know and I will create another video for that. So I think this is where we are going to close this section. So if you find any value in this video, so go ahead and do the normal things that you have to do so that we can grow and even much better, so that others will find this opportunity. See you in my next video.